Hey everyone, welcome to the Reloptix Quest Pro Lens Insert install video. When you receive your package, you'll have base adapters and 2 frames. They'll be marked right and left for the frames. And for your base adapter, you'll notice you have an opening here, which is where your nose will be. You'll notice for the orientation that your base adapter has a flat edge on the top. That's how we're going to align the axis. You'll also have these nubs here and one on the bottom. So as long as you have 2 nubs on top and one on the bottom, you know this is your right adapter. On the back side here, you'll see you have 1 long tooth along with 2 smaller ones. To install this, we're going to start by installing the long tooth, followed by the left tooth, and finish by the bottom tooth. Now, on your Quest Pro, you'll notice that you have a boot securing the lens housing. The way this adapter installs is by reaching mounting points underneath the boot. Now that we're close up, let's show you the install. As I said before, remember that the big tooth goes in first. This is the nose area here. All right, so what you're gonna wanna do is go on the back side and make sure that your right side is flat towards the lip of the headset, followed by the top side here, like that, and then your bottom area. You wanna keep in mind that you need this to be flat on top. So if you're skewed, go ahead and twist it. And pull in. And you'll notice that you're now flat. Now that you're flat, go ahead and remove your frame from your right bag. Simply magnetically lay on top. And this side's good to go. Let's do the install on the left side. Big tooth first, followed by the nose top side, and then the bottom side. Back side down. Make sure you're flat. Followed by the top nose area. Make sure you're flat. I noticed that I'm a little crooked. I'm going to twist a little bit, and then I felt it go in place. So we're on the top side here, flat all the way through. There we go. Get your left frame. And install. So now we look even, and you're good to use. Remember, you can adjust your head strap to move your forehead closer or further away and get adjusted. And your PD adjustment. Play around with that and see what works best for you. Thanks for watching.